Today we're going for something bold, a bloom and zoom transition. It's perfect for adding a bright, energetic feel to your scene changes. Let's get started. First, make sure you've got two clips placed right next to each other on your timeline. Then, head over to the Transitions tab on the left, scroll down to the Zooms and Spin section, and look for the transition called Bloom. Once you find it, simply drag and drop it between your two clips on the timeline. You'll see the bloom effect appear as a transition marker. To tweak how long it lasts, click on the transition and go to the Transition tab on the right side of the editor. Use the duration slider to make the zoom and bloom effect longer or shorter, depending on the pace you want. And that's it. You've just added the bloom and zoom transition, a sleek, energetic effect that's sure to catch your viewer's eye. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Clipchamp editing tips.